In this video, I will solve your doubt about how to play VR chat on a Mac and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question, I have the official VR chat open over here, and as you can see, on the official VR chat website, if we scroll down, they offer us 4 options to play VR chat: Steam, Quest, Rift, and Viveport. These 3 last ones are compatible with Mac in itself, so the only option remaining is Play on Steam. When we select Play on Steam, we can go to the VR Chat on Steam webpage. As you can see over here, we can buy the game and start playing as usual. However, what you might notice is that, as you can see, only the Windows icon is displayed over here. As you can see, it only displays the Windows icon and says VR supported. If we scroll down or we try to look for a different version of this, as you can see, it is nowhere to be seen. Even on the system requirements, it only lists Windows 8.1, Windows 10 or above. This is because sadly, as of today, VR Chat is not officially distributed on Mac operational systems, and sadly, if you own a Mac, there is nothing you can do. It is only possible to properly and decently run VR Chat if you are playing it on Windows. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that you can only play VR Chat decently if you have a Windows computer or a VR headset. VR Chat is currently not compatible with Mac. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.